Alrighty. So, today's video, I got rid of the Mustang. Just to give you a brief background on why I got rid of the Mustang. Got it for about 600 bucks and drove fine. It needed some love. Drove it home, broke down. It's like, sweet. Got home, realized it was just a terminal. So replaced the terminal, test drove it a few times around the block, drove fine. So I registered it, inspected it, got everything, squared away, put the plates on it. First day I drove it with the plates on it, broke down again. So I was like, wow. Alright, so what could it be this time? It would crank, wouldn't start. Changed spark plugs, changed the wires, checked for fuel, checked for air, checked for all that stuff. And tried everything. Hold on. So checked for everything. Checked for spark, checked for fuel, all that checked good, checked for air, all that checked good. Only thing I think it could be was compression or timing. It being a V6 Mustang, and thinking of the worst, it could be a motor, could need motor work, all that fun stuff. Didn't want to invest that much into a V6 Mustang, and I only spent 600 bucks on it. So I traded it today finally, after trying to sell it for so long. And this is what I traded it for. Looky there. So now, we've got two bikes. So we got the Grom. My 2018 Honda Grom, brand new. Thing's awesome. And we traded it for this guy. This is a 94 Suzuki RF900. Now, the good signs. It's got an inspection sticker till 2020, this year. And I got expected at $38,000. And that right now, it is at $39,000. So, 1,000 miles since the last time it got inspected. So that's kind of a good sign. Now, it does need some love, just like the Mustang did. Plastics are kind of broken and loose and stuff, so nothing too crazy there. It doesn't run at the current moment. The owner that I traded it for said all it really needs is the carbs cleaned and a battery, because the battery's dead. There we go. Could need a few things, could need a lot of things, could only mean a couple things. But my reasoning behind trading one project for another project is, for one, this one has a 900cc engine. So this thing's going to be fun. The Mustang had a V6 engine, which limits the amount of fun you can have, especially for that model year. I know the newer V6s, you can have more fun with them. That model year for the V6, they were like 160 horse. Yeah, so my other reasoning for trading the Mustang is, for one, any money I invest into this bike, it's going to be a lot cheaper than investing money into a car. Because it needed a windshield to even drive it on the road on the Mustang. Probably needed tires. The tires were pretty bald. One was leaking all the time. Probably needed brakes. Engine work, timing belt, whatever the issue is. Even maybe an engine. And who knows what else. Whereas this one, I can work. That's my other thing. I can work on this in my garage. If I had to do an engine swap or anything on that Mustang, this garage is not very big. I have plenty of space now where the Mustang was sitting, so I can work on this thing. So worst case scenario, if it needs a motor, if it needs a tranny, I have all this wonderful space to work on this bike. So that's what I traded the Mustang for. This is going to be the new project. It is still winter time out right now, so it's not like I could drive this anyways right now, but hopefully I'll have it fixed up by the end of winter. So this is the new project. We're going to start working on it probably as soon as possible, just to see what we need to do to get it running. And then we'll have two bikes in the garage. Little bike, big bike. Alright, so that's going to be the end of today's video. Just figured I should do an update video on the Mustang. Mustang is no longer, we got rid of it. We got this cool bike now. So that's going to be the fun spring and summer toy. We just got to get it running, and then we'll have some fun on it. Do some burnouts, do crazy hood rat stuff. Yep. So comment down below. Let me know what you think about the new bike. Tell me what you think about trading the Mustang for the bike. Was it a bad decision? Was it a good decision? What are your thoughts on it? And what are some things you want seen on this? I haven't really messed with bike stuff too much besides my Grom. But we'll see what happens. I might turn for full-fledged into a bike guy. So thank you for watching this video. I will see you guys in the next one.